about to go to Sephora and just get some new makeup products because I honestly need to re-up. And then the ones that I have, I feel like they're expired and they just don't sit on my face the way that they used to sit on my face. Like, it just don't be giving that vibe, you know what I'm saying? So I'm about to just go see what products I can find, and then we're gonna go from there. So I already kind of know what I want to get. I want to get foundation, concealer, powder, like basically everything. Lipsticks, I'm gonna try the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick and lip. Hey guys, so like I was saying, I was on my way to Sephora to go pick up a couple new goodies because I needed to re-up on some new makeup products. My camera did cut off, that's why it ended so abruptly like that. But yeah, welcome back to a new vlog. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in another vlog. Hi, how are you? Good.
You can help find anything?
No, I'm just looking around.
Let us know if you get it.
Thank you. Excuse me. Do you guys have any more of the
Iconic Nude and Foxy are both sold out.
Oh my god.
And then literally every other dark brown in the store is also sold out.
No,
I went on this trip earlier and I checked all of them.
Okay, alright.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
We do have an eyeliner from Sephora brand. It's a kohl liner, so it stays on pretty good, and it is like a true dark brown.
Can I
So
see that?
yeah, I showed a lot of people that. And it sharpens, which is great because, you know, it'll last forever, but it is truly just dark brown.
I did not mean to spend that much. I did not mean to spend that much. That was so irresponsible. But it's okay because I need those things, you know? I can't believe I just did this, but I'm going to do a little haul for you. The only thing I didn't get is a highlighter, and that's what I really just wanted, so. But it's alright. This is basically all my makeup that I'm going to be using for when I go to the Burna Boy concert. Y'all, look at my hand. I'm trying to focus on my face. Like, it's just covered in makeup. Like, it's all covered in makeup.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing.
Drink like Beijing and dance like Trini. Yeah. You want a supermodel pose like your real friend
Winnie, my real friend.
Yeah. Hey.
I just want y'all to know Philly is really that bull. So basically, hey y'all, welcome back to the vlog. So earlier, went to Sephora. After I was done with that, I came home. I wanted to start my homework, but I ended up taking a nap because I was just tired. I've been up since like 8 o'clock, so you know, I needed to get that little nap in. So I recently just woke up and it's 8:56 right now. So basically, I have a discussion work that's due. You guys are literally sitting on my laptop. So I have a discussion work that's due at 11:59. So I'm gonna try and go ahead and complete that just so I can get it out the way. It's fairly easy, fairly quick. So yeah, let me start working on my homework.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing.
Hey y'all, so basically right now I'm attempting to make a wig. This is gonna be a closure wig. It's body wave, and the frontal is 18 inches and the bundles are 26 inch. Yo, I've made wigs in the past before, but they never really came out good. I'm just kind of scared because this side is super flat and then this side.
So like I was saying, I was making a closure wig. I was more so nervous about the placement of the closure because I didn't want it to turn out bulky or anything. Like I wanted it to lay super flat. So when I had bleached the knots, some of the bleach had got on the hair. So to fix that problem, I just dyed the entire wig jet black because I was going to do that anyway. But that helps to get rid of all that reddish hair color that you see on the closure. And I was really satisfied with how this wig turned out. It was really cute. The hair was super soft and my curls turned out really nice. So I was pretty proud of myself and I was super happy. So for the rest of this portion of the vlog, y'all just want to see how I dyed the closure hair. I used a rat tail comb and I was very careful not to get any of that dye onto the lace. So you just want to make sure you're taking your time with this part, and I feel like using a comb really helps better than using like the hairbrush that they usually use when people get their hair dyed.
Syrup, no chase. Your bum can't fit in them jeans, there's no space. I tell her come climb on my wood and go ape. Them girls say take
Yo, we about to go out to go get some drinks and some food. Cause I just did my hair, okay? And I'm feeling really cute. And she just did her hair too, so.
Why you got a hat on?
Yeah, we about to go get some hookah and some drinks. Well, I'm not smoking hookah because I just got my wisdom teeth pulled. But I'm finna get some chicken wings and some fries and a drink. And vibes. Okay, so I will see y'all once we get to the spot.